There are some additional important options in the Develop module that we should explore before we start working with the image adjustments panels. The first is the ability to copy a set of image adjustments and paste them to either one or multiple images. Say, for example, I increase the exposure and temperature of this photo in my adjustments panel. I've created a fairly dramatic effect just so we can see the difference in the second image we apply these adjustments to. If I want to copy these adjustments and apply them to a second photo in my catalog, all I need to do is click the copy button here. A dialog box then appears with a set of checkboxes. Here we can specify exactly which adjustments we want to copy and which ones we want to exclude. We only made 2 adjustments, so if I click the Check All button, the 2 adjustments I made will definitely be covered in at least one of these categories. For example, the exposure adjustment is located in the basic tone adjustment group. I could uncheck this, but if I check it back, you'll notice that all the adjustments within this group become activated. Now I'll go ahead and press the copy button. Before I paste, I'll need to bring up another image in the Develop view. This will be the image that I want to apply these adjustments to. So I'll go ahead and pick this image here. Now all I need to do is click the Paste button, and the set of adjustments we made on our last photo are now applied to this one. Take a look at the temperature and the exposure. This was the original, and this is after the paste. So you can see the temperature and exposure went up by the same amount that we'd applied to this image, plus 45 plus 2.35. So remember, if you want to remove these adjustments we just applied, go ahead and click the Reset button, and I'll do the same for this image here.